In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to turn on public figure status on your Facebook profile.
Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video.
Click on settings, 3 bar here. Click on your profile. Click on 3 dot settings icon here. Click on edit. Now scroll down. Details. You have to click on details edit. Under category, you will find digital creators. You have to edit it. Click on this edit icon. You have to search for public figure category here. This is the public figure. Select public figure. Click on save. Public figure category is set on your Facebook profile. Click on save. Look, now your profile is public figure. Now I'm going to log out from this account, logging to another account. I am going to search my previous account. Look, the profile is shown as public figure.
This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.